Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue from last week's lesson about places in the city with what you can get at places in the city. So if you missed last week's video, please go back and practice that one first. You can find a link to that video somewhere here. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet, or you're new to our channel, please smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice together. Please give it a try. Post office. You can get stamps. You can get stamps. You can get stamps at the post office. You can send a package. You can send a package. You can send a package at the post office. You can send mail. You can send mail. You can send mail at the post office. Drugstore. You can get medicine. You can get medicine. You can get medicine at the drugstore. You can get tissue paper. You can get tissue paper. You can get tissue paper at the drugstore. You can get toilet paper. You can get toilet paper. You can get toilet paper at the drugstore. Gas station. You can get gasoline. You can get gasoline. You can get gasoline at the gas station. You can get an oil change. You can get an oil change. You can get an oil change at the gas station. You can get your tires changed. You can get your tires changed. You can get your tires changed at the gas station. Department store. You can get a suit. You can get a suit. You can get a suit at the department store. You can get a dress. You can get a dress. You can get a dress at the department store. You can get cosmetics. You can get cosmetics. You can get cosmetics at the department store. Bank. You can open a savings account. You can open a savings account. You can open a savings account at the bank. You can withdraw money. You can withdraw money. You can withdraw money at the bank. You can deposit money. You can deposit money. You can deposit money at the bank. Bookstore. You can get books. You can get books. You can get books at the bookstore. You can get magazines. You can get magazines. You can get magazines at the bookstore. You can get maps. You can get maps. You can get maps at the bookstore. coffee shop. You can get a cup of coffee. You can get a cup of coffee. You can get a cup of coffee at the coffee shop. You can get a cookie. You can get a cookie. You can get a cookie at the coffee shop. You can get a slice of pie. You can get a slice of pie. You can get a slice of pie at the coffee shop. Electronic store. You can get a TV. You can get a TV. You can get a TV at the electronics store. You can get a refrigerator. You can get a refrigerator. You can get a refrigerator at the electronics store. You can get a camera. You can get a camera. You can get a camera at the electronics store. Convenience store. You can get snacks. You can get snacks. You can get snacks at the convenience store. You can get drinks. You can get drinks. You can get drinks at the convenience store. Restaurant. You can get breakfast. You can get breakfast. You can get breakfast at the restaurant. You can get lunch. You can get lunch. You can get lunch at the restaurant. You can get dinner. You can get dinner. You can get dinner at the restaurant. Hardware store. You can get tools. You can get tools. You can get tools at the hardware store. You can get screws. You can get screws. You can get screws at the hardware store. You can get wood. You can get wood. You can get wood at the hardware store. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.